Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. And just in case you didn't know, welcome back to me, because guys, it has been a long freaking time since I have gotten on here to talk to you all. And I miss you guys so much. To those of you that reached out to me while I was MIA, thank you so very much. I truly appreciated it, and I love knowing that you guys are here for me. I can't tell you how much y'all mean to me. So, this is just gonna be a quick, maybe quick, because you guys know I like to talk video. Just kind of a life update and where I'm hoping to go in the future. Guys, I feel like in the chaos household, springtime is when the real chaos hits. If you recall from last year, we ended up moving. Our landlord told us that he was going to sell the house, and we had about 30 to 45 days to find a new place to live. So that was a huge ordeal. That shut down my YouTube channel for a few months. And this time, guys, we're still in the same house. I know my background looks a little different. I'm trying to grow an herb garden. So I've got some basil, parsley, chives, and then mint. And then my newest plant is this little miniature iris that I got. I got this at Trader Joe's. And it's just a tablespoon and a half of water a week. So hopefully it survives me. But anyways, those aren't the big changes I was talking about. Still in the same place. However, there have been changes in several areas of my life. So real quick, because this is a weight loss type channel, I'm way off track. I mean, I've just completely created my own new course, and I am ready to get back on track once again. Ups and downs, guys, ups and downs, and I'm going back to my mantra of you only fail if you stop trying, and I'm not ready to stop trying yet. So I am still paying for WW, but have not been tracking. So now I will start using the service that I've been paying for all these months. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to incorporate you guys in that, though. I was thinking I could post my tracker on Susie's Facebook page at Susie's Health Journey. I mean, that's an idea. Guys, let me know down below some other ways you think I can share this with you guys. As far as my videos go, I can commit to doing one a week. I do want to do my Tag Tuesdays. I love doing those, and like I said, to the people that reached out, several of them were from that group, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for keeping tabs on me. So Tag Tuesdays, and then I want to start doing some what I eat in a days too. So at least one video a week is what I can commit to. I will keep it weight loss related. As far as my subscription box goes, I've basically canceled all of those. There have been some financial changes in our family, which I will talk to you guys about here in just a minute. So I do get a couple of them still. I think I still get some Ipsy, and I still get my Scentsy Whiff box. So I'll be sharing those. And then, I mean, a few general purchases here and there. So that's my commitment to you guys. Let me know how I can keep connected with you guys on a daily basis, though. Where y'all gonna meet me? You know, is it Susie's Facebook page? Is it someplace else? I think on YouTube now, too, they have a community page where I could post stuff. So maybe I'll post stuff there, and then on Susie's and Dish with D's pages, too. Who knows? It's me, and it'll be chaotic regardless of what we do. So that's where I'm at as far as my weight loss journey goes. I have gained, since I've gone off track, 40 pounds. And no, I have not gained 40 pounds in the past few months. It's been a bit of a gradual build since really over the past year. Since we moved, I've really struggled to stay on track, consistently on track. So over the past year, 40 pounds. So hence the chubby cheeks that are back. But anyways, that's where I'm at with my weight loss journey. One of the big changes, and it's not even a change, one of the big things that we were dealing with over the past several months is my oldest daughter Ariana's health. I'm sure that you guys have all seen her in our videos. She is our blonde clearly not blonde. She is our bald little bombshell. She did have some health issues. She's got lupus and heart failure and a whole bunch of other fun diagnoses that go with that, but she is back on track. We have a wonderful new team of doctors for her, guys. I just have to share this. We got a new family provider for her. Finally, her insurance decided we could change. Her last one was a real struggle for us. So this one that we found, he specializes in complex cases, so he can handle our chaos. But this just touches my heart, guys. He wrote her a letter, like him and his team. They wrote her a letter thanking her for coming to see them and letting them participate in her care. And they drew little pictures on it, which, I mean, if you guys know the struggle with healthcare providers we've been through with Ariana, that was huge, huge. I wanted to frame it and just like shout out to the world that this is what healthcare is about. So yeah, so she is on the mend, she is stable, she's doing more physically now with us as a family than she has in a long time. We went camping a few weeks ago, my girl went swimming, and she is a pyromaniac. So, now not really a pyromaniac, but I mean, every time she had the chance, she was lighting a fire in her fire pit, and she just was smiles. I don't think she mentioned her health more than once or twice in a 4-day period, which is huge for her. She went on hikes with us, so yeah, we are in good health, we are in stable health, and we are in great, fantastic spirits. So I will post some pictures of our camping trip right here so you guys can see how happy she was. And then of course my other goober kids too. And then there's always Chaos Steve, which he misses you guys too. So health is good. Sad news, and then I'm gonna say it without crying because it's been several months. I have to be able to say it without crying. We did have to put our dog Ace down. That was one of the hardest things that I have ever had to do. That was terrible. It was awful. It was just heartbreaking. So we put him down in March. Yeah, so, and it was a decision that we made as a family, and it was just time. So we do miss him every day. He was such a big part of our life. I mean, when you have a dog with, I guess, again, special needs like that, because, I mean, if you guys have watched my channel for a while, you know that we had a lot of aggression issues with him, and I just didn't realize like how much of our life revolved around keeping him safe and everybody else safe. I mean, we're just now at the point where we can hear a car pulling in our driveway without racing to see where Ace is and getting him to his kennel or getting him to the office so that he is away from everybody. It was just, when you have an aggressive dog, gosh. So yeah, we did have to put Mr. Ace Magoo down. I know he's in a better place and he's running free with no anxiety and probably getting all the lovings that he deserves up there in heaven. And then we do have a new family member. His name is Chulo. Middle name is Bruno, and he is a Labradoodle. He is 2 years old. He'll be 2 in August. I'll post some pictures of him here. We have had so much fun with him since we got him. He is a fantastic family pet. He does not have an aggressive bone in his little body. He's a very chaotic little fellow though. I'll tell you, he's got more energy than I don't know. I mean, he is a busy little guy. So I would bring him in here so that he could say hi, but I'm pretty sure he would be jumping all over everything and you would see stuff flying. He also went with us on our camping trip, and you know what? That's what I'll show you. We took him on a paddle boat ride with us. And I guess maybe his previous owners didn't expose him to water. I don't know. We did have his leash on him, but we were out paddling around and he was getting a drink and decided he was going to look a little closer and fell in. So the video of his response to that, guys, right here.
Chulo, did you fall in the water?
Not talking about it, Mama.
You never been in the water before?
No.
Chulo.
You guys said it would be
what
fun.
What happened? Oh, are you so ashamed? I'm so sorry. You're a good boy, though. Yes, you're a good boy.
Okay.
Dang it.
He was ticked. He was mad, furious. Have you ever seen a dog throw a fit as much as our Chulo does? It was awesome. It was awesome. So yeah, yep, new family member there. And then the last big change over the few months is mine. I decided to leave the orthopedic practice that I was working for. It was just turning into a very negative environment for me. You know, I think I spent like the last year and a half I was there trying to change myself so that I could get my boss's approval. And it was just destroying me. The stress and the tension. I mean, I had so much tension in my shoulders, my arms and my face were going numb on a regular basis. Migraines for weeks on end. It was awful. So I just kind of followed God's leading on that one and decided it was time to go. And it ended up being a very traumatic leaving situation for me. It was just a last minute. I always like to say that God has to hit me with a 2x4 to get my attention, and I feel like he had been telling me for a long time, it's time to go, it's time to move on. And I kept saying, God, I think I can do it, I can make it work, I can change myself, I can do better. And my last day there, I actually had a fantastic day at work, and I was walking out to my car and I just got the ugliest, most insulting text from my boss. I mean, I just, it still hurts. So yeah, and that was where I was like, okay, God, I got the welt on my head from the 2x4 now. I know it's time for me to leave. So it was a response back to my boss. I'm sorry, I can't do this anymore. I will pick up my stuff tomorrow. So there was no 2 weeks notice. There was nothing except me bawling for like a week straight. So, it took me about 6 weeks before I could start my next job. However, I did have peace of mind. I knew that it was God's work and that I was going in the right direction, because the day after I quit, I got an interview with the place that I'm currently at. I now work for a family practice. I don't want to say the name of it because I don't think I'm allowed to, but this is my first experience with family practice, guys, and I love it. It is so much fun. And here's the best part, guys. I work in an office full of people just like me. I know it's scary, but we make an awesome team, guys. I laugh and I smile every day when I am at work now. I feel accepted for who I am, loved for who I am, including my differences, because we have butted heads just a little bit here and there, but not anything major. We work through it, and there's so much love, you guys. And I work for some fantastic providers. This is my first time working one-on-one with doctors and nurse practitioners, and you know what? It is just fantastic. It is fantastic, and I feel extremely blessed to be where I'm at. So there is that. The financial struggle comes in to play because basically for those 6 weeks we were living off of credit cards, so now we have a whole lot of credit card debt that we have to pay off. But I feel blessed that we were able to you know, pay for things during those 6 weeks where I was not working and getting a full paycheck. So definitely blessed there. But anywho, guys, I have talked your ear off. I just wanted to hop on here, say hello. Thank you guys all for your patience. I can't wait to get back into talking with you guys on a regular basis. Let me know how you're doing down below. What's new in your life? What's going on? And for the third time now, I'm going to let you go. Thank you all so very much for watching. I've missed you guys, just in case you didn't hear the first 20 times I've said it. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. I surprisingly, in the 3 months that I have not been posting, did not lose a whole lot of subscribers. So you guys are awesome. Awesome. Thank you for sticking with me. If you're not a member of my family, I would love the opportunity to get to know you. You'll see all kinds of chaos on this channel, primarily weight loss, family vlogs, pretty much, I mean, unboxings. We do subscription boxes. We do clothing boxes, grocery hauls. I mean, you name it, and you're going to find it here. Family friendly, appropriate. We do get a little riled sometimes, but you know, that's how we roll. But anyways, I love you all. Thank you so very, very much for coming back to see what I've been up to. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.